हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं दीपक स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल के नेक्स्ट जेन स्किल्स पे। ये एक चैनल है जहां पे हम डिस्कस करते हैं अबाउट मनी, फाइनेंस एंड करियर कंट्रोल। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं हाउ कैन वी इम्प्रूव आवर मार्केटिंग स्किल। हम कैसे अपने मार्केटिंग स्किल को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। व्हाट आर द की कॉन्सेप्ट, व्हाट आर द की पॉइंट्स टू कवर, what are the key things to remember in order to improvise your marketing skill. So let's move on. See, improving your marketing skill requires a mix of theoretical knowledge plus hands-on experience. That's a basic for all the skills, right? You will need basic theoretical knowledge plus practical knowledge implementation and staying current with the trends, of course. So first is master the fundamental of marketing. See, you have to understand the basic concept of marketing. For example, you might have seen the 4P concept in your theoretical concept, that is product, price, place and promotion, right? So understand marketing principle. Study core concept like segmentation, targeting of audience means positioning, and the other 4P concept, that is product, price, place and promotion, as you can see the screen. Explore marketing theories. There are different theories. If you are studying, you will find multiple theories in books, in Google and everywhere. Explore that. Work on the SWOT analysis, that is strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. What are the strength, what are the weakness, what are the opportunities and what are the threats you have. Work on this. Now the next is read marketing books. Of course, see, theoretical concept you will only get from the books. If you are a BBA or a MBA or a BTech, whatever the qualification you have to go through the books to understand the basic. The next one is gain hands-on experience. It's very important. You have to have solid hands-on experience to gain onto the marketing skill. Like start a side project, launch a personal blog, e-commerce store or social media page to apply what you have learned. This gives you a practical understanding of how marketing campaigns work. Simple. Whatever you have learned, try it practically. This is what the whole statement is. Try it practically, do it practically, learn it practically. You will do mistake, note down those mistakes and improve on those mistakes, but try it practically. You can do internship also or any freelancing job. If you are getting freelancing, you can get through Fiverr, through upwork.com or through freelancer.com. There are a lot of websites right now, so you can get from there. So get the practical experience. Net what I want to say over here. And the next is focus on digital marketing concept. Right now in 2025, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज बूमिंग. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग बूम पे है दोस्तों. सो आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट समझ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट गो एंड मास्टर इनटू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, बट अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट. जैसे एसईओ क्या होता है, कैसे ऑप्टिमाइजेशन होता है, ऑन पेज ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, ऑफ पेज ऑप्टिमाइजेशन क्या होता है, क्या कीवर्ड्स क्या होते हैं, गूगल एनालिटिक्स क्या होता है. बेसिक सब चीजें आपको समझना पड़ेगा. एक्सप्लोर कंटेंट मार्केटिंग, ऑफ कोर्स थ्रू ब्लॉग्स, वीडियोज. आजकल तो रील्स के भरमार पड़े हैं. सो यू कैन एक्सप्लोर द कंटेंट्स मार्केटिंग. गेट कंफर्टेबल विथ सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग. वन ऑफ द की टूल. यूज सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग फॉर promoting your products. So this is also one of the important. Right now in India, most of the generation, young generation, I will say, those who are consuming the products, they are onto social market, or I will say social media, right? So you have to promote your products over there. Email marketing, that's a very old concept but very effective concept as of now. Email marketing works. Actually it works, right? Moving on to the next one, improve data and analytics skill. Of course, for anything you must be good in analyzing the data and the tool. For example, if you did a marketing for 100 people, what is the conversion ratio, what is the dropout ratio, why the dropout happened, what is the percentage of dropout happened, what are the common sequences. This is what exactly you have to find. What is the traffic for your source, or what is the traffic for your goods or products, I will say, or for your website. So everything is into the data and you have to analyze. That is analytical skill. Next is building your brand and networking. Important for the marketing guys especially. Share your marketing insight and experience on LinkedIn or through blogs. Build a personal brand help you connect with industry professionals and stay relevant. Network with industry expert, of course. Attend multiple webinars, conferences, networking events so that you can connect with multiple people. This is very important. See, networking is important in all the field. Forget about marketing, HR, talent acquisitions, finance, everywhere networking is important. Next, learn the art of storytelling. For a good marketing expert or SME, this is very very important. आप अगर सामने वाले को कोई भी स्टोरी सुनाकर कन्विंस करने का पावर रखते हैं, देन यू आर अ मास्टर ऑफ मार्केटिंग. सिंपल. फॉरगेट अबाउट व्हाट इंग्लिश इज रिटन ओवर हियर. अगर आप अपने कस्टमर को किसी भी तरीके से कन्विंस करने का, किसी भी स्टोरी को बोलकर, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का प्लस माइनस बताकर, इफ यू आर एबल टू कन्विंस योर कस्टमर, you are great at your marketing skill. Same, craft compelling stories. Next is understand emotional marketing and video content creation, of course. Now stay updated with industry trends. That's a very basic, like you have to stay up to date with the what's going on in the marketing, how the marketing concept is changing, what are the changes happening all across, so that you have to learn. Follow marketing blogs, listen to marketing podcasts, a lot of there in the YouTube. Experiment and innovate, very important. Test your new strategies, learn from mistake, adapt to new technologies. Whatever you are doing, experiment with that and try to innovate. Develop strong communication skill. Remember, for marketing it is not important कि आप हिंदी बोल रहे हो, इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो, बंगाली बोल रहे हो. आपका कस्टमर कौन से लैंग्वेज में समझ पा रहा है और कन्वर्जन हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड मार्केटिंग स्किल फॉर यू, राइट. नो नीड कि अगर आपका बंदा हिंदी समझ रहा है, आप इंग्लिश बोलते जा रहे हो, सामने वाले बंदे को कुछ समझ नहीं आया, दैट इज नॉट योर मार्केटिंग. Refine your writing, enhance public speaking, and enhance your audience, as you can see, right? So develop your strong communication skills. Sometime marketing can go through the I will say visual concept, to the your body language concept also. आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, marketing हो जाएगा. That will help you out. Learn those things, practice those things. Leverage marketing tools. There are a lot of marketing tools available. उसका यूज करो, इस्तेमाल करो, leverage करो आप उसको, right? Social media is there, designing visual content creation is there, marketing automation is there, right? Use that. There are a lot of tools available. आप गूगल में लिख दो खाली marketing tools, different types of free marketing tools, you will get it. Learn from a mentor or a peer, of course, that is important. Learning is important. How you will learn? आपका एक गुरु होना चाहिए जिससे आप सीख सकते हो, आपका एक मेंटर होना चाहिए जिससे आप सीख सकते हो, जो कि आपको गाइड कर सकता है. And of course, if you are marketing, try to get a certification. There are a lot of certification, either it is online or offline through IIM or different institute. Try to get a certification and a formal education in that. That will help you out to grow in your career. Moving on, that's all for this video as of now. If you have any doubt, question, please feel free to connect me on my channel, on my comment box, or over the email ID, which you can see, that is karjoshikglobal@gmail.com. So thanks a lot for today. See you in next video. Till then, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this video with your friends. See you in next video. Thank you.